It is possible to become a millionaire through investments in cryptocurrency, but it is important to approach this opportunity with caution and due diligence. My name is Rick Richardson, and in this video I'm going to talk about some of the steps you can take to increase your chances of success and to get closer to becoming a millionaire through cryptocurrencies. Alright, the most important thing for you to do is to educate yourself about cryptocurrency. Before you invest any money, it is essential to understand how cryptocurrency works and the risks and potential rewards involved. There are many resources available online and in print that can help you learn more about this complex and rapidly evolving field. One of them is the book called The Basics of Bitcoin and Blockchain by Anthony Lewis. And another one is The Truth Machine, The Blockchain and the Future of Everything by Michael J. Casey and Paul Vigna. I'll put links to both books in the description for you to have a look. Also, Netflix is full of Bitcoin documentaries like Cryptopia, Bitcoin Blockchains and the Future of Internet, and another one is called Trust No One, The Hunt for the Crypto King, which is about Quadriga Exchange and its founders called Gerald Cotten, who allegedly embezzled $250 million. Be sure to digest as much information as you can before you start in crypto, but also remember to not overdo it, because if you keep telling yourself that tomorrow is the day, then that day will never come. Right. So that was the most important thing. Now on to the rest. Another thing is to develop a solid investment strategy. Don't just blindly throw your money into any cryptocurrency that seems popular. Instead, take the time to research different coins and to create a diversified portfolio that balances risk and potential reward. Trust me on this one, I've been there. And during the last bull run, I was running around trying to catch all the hype trains I could, but most of the time it made me lose money. Simply because I didn't educate myself and didn't stick to my investment strategy. Right now I have a strategy and I'm actually sticking to it. Now the next thing is to be prepared for volatility. Cryptocurrency prices can fluctuate dramatically over short periods of time, so it is important to be prepared for both ups and downs. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose, and consider using stop loss orders to limit your potential losses. And if you want to learn more about the different ways of trading, be sure to check out my leverage trading for dummy video, which I'll link at the end of this one and in the description. Before we move on though, please know that I'm not a registered financial advisor and that my videos should not be taken as financial advice. They are meant to be educational and entertaining only. Always make sure to do your own research before investing into any projects. Number 4 is to stay up to date on market trends. The cryptocurrency market is constantly changing, so it's important to stay informed about the latest developments and trends. Follow industry news and analysis, and consider joining online communities or forums to connect with other cryptocurrency investors. Twitter is a great place for crypto, and so is Discord. You can also use charting platforms such as TradingView and CoinNiggy. These offer a range of technical analysis tools and resources, mostly useful to identify trends and to make predictions about future price movements. Number 5 is to diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Consider investing in a variety of cryptocurrencies and other assets such as stocks, real estate or precious metals. This can help reduce the overall risk of your portfolio. Don't make the same mistake I did, selling all my BNB including profits for Solana at the top of the market. And if I had the same experience back then as I have now, this would have never happened and I would have been sitting on the sidelines right now with stablecoins waiting for a new entry. Diversifying your investment goes for everything, by the way. Personally, for instance, I've diversified not just in crypto but in stock and real estate too. I don't buy bonds or trade in options, but this way I do prevent myself from going down under if, let's say, the stock market completely crashes because I was 100% invested into it. Number 6 is actually very important to me as well, which is to be patient. Becoming a millionaire in cryptocurrency, or in general for that matter, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It may take time and patience to see significant returns from your investments. Don't get caught up in FOMO, which is the fear of missing out, and make impulsive decisions. Also make sure to have a reality check every now and then. If you're already up 8 times and wait for the 10 times or the 10x, but the market drops to 5 again and you're still in it, hoping for it to go back, you might lose even more money. Try getting a 5x in the regular markets or in real estate. Unless you wait years or decades, it might practically be impossible to reach. Turning 1,000 into 5,000 is already very good, and if you wait for 7,000 just to get an additional 2, but with the risk of losing more than that, then that's just silly to me. But like I said, not a registered financial advisor, so do what you suit best. Number 7 is to seek professional advice. If you are new to investing or unsure about the best ways to allocate your funds, consider seeking the advice of a financial advisor or professional investor. Watch out for so-called gurus though. They will offer you trainings and webinars in which you'll pay a lot of money but only get generic advice. I've seen a lot of influencers creating all kinds of tutorial lessons behind a paywall, and it allegedly rendered them a lot of money. However, most of them are not financial advisors, nor have they studied for it. So always make sure to do your due diligence on the people that you want to follow a course on and check their credentials to see if they can add value to you. Now remember, there are no guarantees when it comes to investing in cryptocurrency. It is a high risk, high reward endeavor, and you should only invest what you can afford to lose. With careful planning and a long-term perspective, however, it is possible to achieve financial success through investments in cryptocurrencies. And if you like this video, please subscribe, and if you want to learn more about crypto, please click that playlist right there. For now, my name is Rick Ridgen, and I'll see you next time. Doei!